This is the new Cut Down 2.0. He is a cousin to the old Cut Down Magnum, which a lot of people like. This call is very similar to the old Cut Down oats the old timers used to use. It takes a lot of back pressure. It's hard to lock this one up, but you better have some wind if you're going to use it. So it gets real loud on them windy days when you're out hunting those rice fields or open water. Good for those kind of scenarios. But the reeds are loose enough for a good feed call or chuckle. Cut Down 2.0.